Hi, I'm Lucy from Lucy B and I wanted to talk to you about the Lucy B Moringa mask. This Moringa mask is palm oil free and its derivatives, vegan, cruelty free, also Cosmos organic. It's in an aluminium tube and it is a gel consistency. This is an enzyme mask, so it means it exfoliates and removes dead skin cells and makes the skin look lovely and glowy. The enzymes we've used is pineapple enzymes. It also contains squalane, which is really hydrating. It contains green tea, which is an antioxidant, and it also protects and conditions the skin. It's also got pink clay in it, which pulls out impurities and really helps with the overall appearance of the skin. Moringa seeds, which help with nourishing the skin. Cucumber water and coconut water, which really help with dehydration and soothing and hydrating the skin as well. And you just want to apply that all over and really work it into the skin. The great thing about this product also is you can actually use it as a cleanser. So if you just want to use it once a week as a cleanser to really zap your skin, it's a great way of using it as well. If not, you're going to leave this on for 15 to 20 minutes and let the product work its magic. It's so lovely on the skin, a really luxurious face mask. And once introduced with water, it goes really milky. Normally you would do your neck, but today I'm just going to show you the face. It's breastfeeding and pregnancy safe, so I've just added some water, and as you can see, it just goes a little bit milky. And it's dermatologically approved for sensitive skin as well. I've just washed the mask off, and as you can see, my skin is really glowy. It's a lot brighter. It feels really soft to touch, and it feels really smooth and fresh. It's such a great face mask, or as I said, you can use it as a cleanser. It's really straightforward with a cleanser. Just apply it, work it into the skin, wash off, and you can do that once a week. Use this product once or twice a week because it is an exfoliation. Once or twice a week into your skincare routine will make the world of difference to the overall complexion. We hope you love this product as much as we do, and we look forward to getting some reviews on it.